Remember, we've been talking about pass-fail signals and experiments. So as you get out of the building and start talking to these potential customers, you need to set up some experiments. How do I know these are the right customers or the right buyers? And so you want to set up a series of experiments to test interest and figure out where do you want to test it and what kind of experiments can you run and how many do you test. By the way, the how many is a classic question, and the answer is it depends. In a business-to-business enterprise sale, you might get away with, talking to less than 20 customers, and that's a great number. But if you have a mobile or web app, you want to talk to hundreds, if not thousands, of customers. Now, obviously, you can't personally interview all those like you could in the enterprise, and so you want to get out and reach them virtually. But the number you want to get to really is an order of magnitude or two different than if you were doing B2B direct sales. Just a caveat and a warning, when you're out of the building trying to talk to hundreds or thousands of potential web or mobile app users, you want to be careful that you're not completely dependent on online surveys. People simply lie on surveys. And so what you want to have is some sample where you actually bring those people into your building or you go see them and you watch their pupils dilate as you actually ask them the question and see if that kind of diverges from the data you're getting when they're hitting your website or you're sending them questionnaires. And then you'll have a correlation to be able to figure out is that data valid or not. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to reach hundreds or thousands of people for customer discovery.